Hi friends, good morning. This is Raja Dhiren Kumar. I would like to serve you some important questions that you are going to face in your annual exam. And from the very beginning, I would like to state that these are the most expected questions that you may face in the exam based on my personal experience and judgment. And I have researched well, I have researched deeply at the time of my examination, and since 2009 when I was appearing my annual exam in 2009 in the DD Junior College, I have experienced a lot on these questions, expected questions, and found out a 90% accuracy on my experience. So when I was appearing the annual examination of plus 2 final annual examination in the year 2009, so I have researched and studied well on the expected questions and found out that my expectation was 90% accurate. So dear students, if you focus the past questions, so dear friends, you will focus the trend of the past questions and analyze the series of last previous questions, that you will find some important values addition to your questions. Dear friends, I would like to mention a small thing that I was the topper in 2009 batch of plus 2 CHSE annual exam. So few things I would like to share with you people that made me successful in the year 2009. That prior to my examination, before 2 months ago my examination, I was studied deeply to the previous year questions and solving the previous year questions by practicing more and more to the fundamental things, and expectation on the I was working on the expectation questions and have solved the 2 sample papers, ABC sample paper and USA sample paper also. And with this small thing that came into my mind, that I would also like to serve you few tips and exam oriented study tips today. Please be patient and listen me. Dear friends, when I am saying anything, explaining anything, that you should pick up your notebook and be ready with your pen in the right hand. Okay, so please friends, be courteous and kind enough to listen these few things for the next 5 minutes. Okay, that may change your career, that may brighten your career. Okay, so listen, dear friends. Sample papers are the best weapons to get success in your examinations. Okay friends, I have solved in my era 2 sample papers that are famous in the Keonjhar district now. One is ABC sample paper and another is USA sample paper. USA sample paper is something that covers the most expected questions and that follows the best trend of examination, but lacks of one thing, that USA paper leads to wrong questions, some wrong questions. Before going to solve the questions that are appearing in these sample papers, you must aware about the correctness of that answer and accuracy of that answer, and make ensure that what you are solving in the right way, what you are doing in the right way. So please, the teachers are the ultimate guide and philosopher in your career. So before solving any problem or before remembering one short question, most of the short questions that appear in the USA paper leads to wrong questions, wrong answers, because it's not their inherent fault. Also in the Ross period they used to make the questions in a hurry mode. That's why they commit such types of mistakes. So dear friends, it's our responsibility to write correct answer, not their responsibility. So we should be hunker for the correct answer, right? Yes. So prior to remembering any question, that prior to print any question, save any question answer in your mind, you must ask one time to your teacher that is this question answer is correct given in the question, given in the sample paper. If your teacher say it's okay, then it's okay, because you have no option, you have no next option, brother. So teachers are the ultimate necessary or ultimate guide for your examination, for your career. Okay, next to it I would like to say that you must solve as much as the varieties question you can. The varieties of question of on a single chapter and single topic, like partnership. Partnership can provide the problems of 25 types. Okay, when there is treatment of goodwill, when there is not treatment of goodwill, when there is adjustment of capital, when a lacks of goodwill, when a new partner provides sufficient premium for goodwill, and sometimes he can't bring anything towards the premium of goodwill. So all these things are varieties of questions that have been seen in the partnership. So you must practice maximum possible questions on a single chapter in these 2 months of gap. So this is the vital time, this is the vital factor of your examination. Prior to these 2 months, make your mind constant, focus to your examination, write down your exam program in the wall, and jump forward and focus towards your examinations. A repeated line, a most repeated and important line I have suggested my friend, and used to suggest my friends, that if you don't work hard for next 3 months, if you don't work hard for next 3 months, you have to work hard for next 30 years. So which is the better option before you? Please friends, be courteous, be kind enough, be, and don't rude to your examination and career. So work hard for next 3 years. You don't have to work hard or panic about your career for next 30 to 40 years. Dear friends, this is a choice before you. So in this period of time, what I will do, I would like to state in few minutes. Practice maximum questions that you think important. I would also provide in the latter stage what are the important questions. And second thing, solve the varieties of questions as much as you can from the sample paper. Third thing, solve the previous year questions. This is the best secret of the examination and best strategy of the examination, brother. Please listen. Solve the previous year questions. This is the year of the 2017 that you are going to face. You are going to face the examination of annual exam 2017. Prior to this, starting from 2006 and onwards, 2015, 2004 and so on, you must solve at least twice. To perform a better, to perform a higher percentage of mark, above 90% mark or 80% mark, you must at least solve twice the previous year questions. Because from a research of CS students, chartered accountancy students, that they used to say one thing: one who have completed the previous year questions twice have completed the examination 50%. Half of your efforts, 50% of your efforts will be accomplished. 50% of your preparation of examination will be accomplished when just you are finishing your solution of previous year questions. So this is the very crucial thing that must. And from the previous year question, you need not to bother about that. Your sample paper already provides. You must purchase the latest sample paper of 2016 and must solve the previous year questions. Okay, and minimum 6 to 7 years previous question must be solved in order to gain a trend of questions analysis, to gain an idea. and you needed to work hard for such experience and research, because at the time of me, brother, there was no philosopher of me. There is no such guider of annual examination and the most expected question, but at the time of 2017, brother, okay, where we have reached on the Mars. So you will get sufficient ideas from your teachers. Okay, so dear friends, today I would like to suggest few questions based on my experience, and I can confidently say these are the questions that carries 80% accuracy to be fallen in your examinations and you are going to face. But one thing I would like to mention, that a good student, a topper student, a talented and genius students always prefer the textbook and always prefer the teacher's guidance for make his or her career successful, and don't follow those selection questions. Brother, these are not selection questions, these are the most expected questions that will be faced. And one thing I want to add to this session, that I am not saying these are the questions, these are the only questions that you are going to face. These are the questions including other questions. These are the questions which may include in your 2007 annual exam questions. So if you have not practiced yet these questions, then must practice. If you have not practiced till today, then must practice these questions first, then you go for the other questions. This is my motto. Okay, brother? So you have not yet practiced these questions till date, till moment, then you must have a practice, a well awareness to these questions, to gain a fair idea on these questions. Then you will go फर्दर. जो क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल और साफ और क्लियर है कि एग्जाम में आएंगे, अगर वो आप प्रैक्टिस बिना किए एग्जाम जा रहे हैं तो प्रॉब्लम है. तो हम ये करें कि सीओ क्वेश्चंस को पहले जरूर प्रैक्टिस करना है, बाकी क्वेश्चंस तो हमको आएंगे. जैसे कि डिफरेंस बिटवीन रिसीट पेमेंट अकाउंट एंड इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस. अगर आप ये चीज मिस कर रहे हैं और बिल्कुल आप बाकी कॉन्साइनमेंट जॉइंट वेंचर को रट के पूरा जा रहे हैं, पूरा डिप्रेशन को पूरा रट के जा रहे हैं, तो दोस्तों गड़बड़ है, प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, बिल्कुल आपके साथ हादसा हो सकता है. सो वी मस्ट अवेयर अबाउट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस in the plus 2 second year examination that will go for the annual examination. Okay, and a third point I would like to mention here, that always make your own strategy. I am Raja Dhiren Kumar only can provide you an idea, but the strategies that you have made are the best strategy in the world. So make your own strategy in your own world. I am the guide of making how to strategies. So friends, please be kind enough and don't be rude to your career. Bring a note and a pen and note down my questions through this video. You have to go through the whole video. Keep patience to make your career. You can keep patience for a while. Okay. So write down the questions. I'm starting for this session. Okay, please write down. So friends, first of all I am giving you the important accounting questions, and these are based on previous 8 years questions. Okay, look at. Starting from your section C, you have to face 4 questions, and the ultimate important question is explain receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account, and sometimes differentiate between them. Okay, so this is the most important question that you may see it's appeared several times. Then preparation of income and expenditure account from
the receipt and payment account. Perhaps it is coming in all the examination, all the annual examination. So these are the ultimate questions that you have to prepare. Next, methods of treatment of goodwill, which is very important thing in our partnership, and causes of depreciation, and next to it, types of debentures. These are the basic long questions that in your accounting book. Next, come to the problem topic. Partnership, when premium bought and when premium not bought by partner, both are the very important and always comes in the exam. And next to it, your important chapter for problem is share capital, which covers the pro rata and forfeiture and reissue. All these are frequently coming questions in your exams. Next to it, depreciation, simple questions on the SLM and WDB. Practice the exceptional question number 10 of 2011 set A that I have given, because this was the exceptional questions. Okay. Next, non-profit organization, only the simple question where you have to make the opening balance sheet with subscription adjustments. And one another practice for your good health, one problem, exceptional problem is given underneath. Please note down it. When I am saying, brother, please pause the video and bring your notebook and note down all the questions. Okay. Next is syllabus covers the 3 mark question, and you have to answer 6 questions. So total sheet 18 marks. So first of all, causes of depreciation, it appeared 5 times. Factors of depreciation, look at it, appeared 4 times. So these covers a major part. Next to it, fixed and fluctuating capital system. You have to write a description and why current account is opened. Sometimes it asks for the difference. This is the most important questions among 3 mark questions. And next to it, please friends, pause the video and note down all the questions serially. Okay, for your better success, for your betterment of your exam, please note down the questions.
These are some questions I have provided to practice in next 2 to 3 months. I will also give a complete picture and complete seminar for how to face the examination and how to prepare yourself before the examination and on the examination, sitting on the examination, how you will handle the examination hour. So my next session and next video will be based on the examination preparation, previous day of examination preparation, and how you get prepared for coming to the examination center. Okay, these are the vital things, because you have practiced well in the since last 1 year and studied well, but not much more aware about the examinations strategy, revision strategy, the strategy of prior to 1 day of examinations. Then you may help to occupy all these things. Okay, friends, goodbye for a moment, and again you will be able to see me on my Facebook and YouTube page, Smart Vidyarthi. Okay, so keep updated, and we'd like to update all the videos and seminars. Okay, friends. Okay, thanks for your wholehearted cooperation and such like and comments and engagement in my post. For again, thanks for your holy hearted cooperation to the Smart Commerce Vidyarthi Facebook page. Okay, bye.